A quick tutorial for how I make animated maps starts in Google Earth Pro. You can create a path using the Add Path tool, or use directions to automatically create a path. Then the saved KML can be loaded into a Google Earth Studio project. And the simplest way to animate a path is by taking a snapshot with the path, then turn off the path in the overlays and take a snapshot without the path. Then in Corel VideoStudio, I'll add in a previously saved ship icon, then add the map with the path, an overlay without the path. Then I use the masking tool on the without layer to unmask the path diagonally from upper left to lower right. Then position the ship icon and use the advanced motion tool to move the ship along the path as it's revealed. And here's the completed animation. To get more advanced, you can use more complex masks to clean up the animation, or have a path reveal along a moving Google Earth Studio rendering.